Hello student, earlier in chapter 7 we had already discussed about fractions. Now in this continuation, our next chapter is operations on fractions, that is your chapter number 8 and 9. I will merge both the topics together and try to make you learn how you can add, subtract, multiply and divide fractions. So without wasting much time, let's start. So our first topic is addition of fractions. In this you will learn how you can add like, unlike as well as mixed fraction. So the first topic is addition of like fraction. Like fraction means the fractions in which denominators are same. So nothing you have to do, just find the sum of numerator divided by the common denominator. Next topic is addition of unlike fraction. In this you have to follow three simple steps. Step 1. Find the LCM of denominator of like fraction. Step 2. Convert unlike fractions into equivalent like fraction with their LCM as common denominator. Step 3. Add the like fractions so obtained. Similarly, you can add mixed fraction also. In the next video clip, you will understand how you are going to add like, unlike as well as mixed fraction. Student, just have a look. So students, let's take an example how to add like fraction. So this is example number 1. 2 upon 9 plus 5 upon 9. Both are like fractions. How to add? First, write the common denominator, that is 9. Then find the sum of both the numerator, 2 plus 5. Next step is 5 plus 2 is 7 upon 9, and that is your answer. Let's take one more example. Example number 2. 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. In this example, we have 3 like fractions, but the formula is same. Write the common denominator one time, then find the sum of all the numerator, that is 1 plus 1 plus 3. Next step is 3 plus 1 4 and plus 1 5. 5 upon 4, and that is your answer. Another topic is addition of unlike fraction. Means the fraction in which denominators are different. So example is, first example, 3 upon 4 sign of addition and 5 upon 6. In this case, both the denominators are different. So first you have to take the LCM of both the denominators, that is LCM of 4 and 6, and that is, let's take the LCM by prime factorization method. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and finally 3 1s are 3. So the factor is 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Okay, so now make both the fractions, or you can say convert both the fractions into like 3 by 4 is equal to make the denominator equal, that is 12. 4 3s are 12 and multiply same number in both numerator and denominator. 3 3s are 9. Next, 5 upon 6 is equal to 12. 6 into 2, same number you have to multiply in numerator also. 5 2s are 10. Now we'll get both the like fractions. One is 9 by 12, another one is 10 by 12. Then therefore find the sum, 9 by 12 plus 10 by 12. Rest all the steps are same. Write the common denominator, then find the sum of numerator, and that is 19 upon 12, and that is your answer. So student, next topic is how you can add mixed fraction. Just see this video clip. In this video, we will learn how to add mixed fractions. I have taken one example, 4 whole 2 by 5 plus 3 whole 1 by 5. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How you are going to convert? Multiply the whole number with denominator and add the numerator upon the earlier denominator. Then it is 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22 upon 5, and 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16 upon 5. Now both are like fractions. Write the common denominator and find the sum of numerator. It becomes 38 upon 5, and convert this into a mixed fraction, that is 7 whole 3 by 5. I hope that you will all understand the addition of fraction with the help of these video clips. The next topic is subtraction of fractions. In this you will learn how to subtract like fraction and unlike fraction. Like fractions are those fractions in which denominators are same. So you have to find the difference between the numerator divided by the common denominator. Subtraction of unlike fraction. In this, again you have to follow the 3 simple steps. First, you have to find the LCM of denominator of unlike fraction. Second, convert the unlike fraction into equivalent like fraction with their LCM as common denominator. And step 3 is find the difference between the like fractions so obtained. So these 2 operations you will learn with the help of this video clip. Just have a look. Now next topic is subtraction of like fractions. Let's understand by with one example. Example number 1, that is 3 by 8 sign of subtraction 1 upon 8. Okay, this is a like fraction because both the denominators are same. Steps are same whatever we have done in addition. Write the common denominator and find the difference of numerator. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 8, or you can write 1 upon 4, and that is your answer. So dear student, let's understand this topic, subtraction of unlike fraction, with the help of an example. So example number 1 is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. This is an unlike fraction, both the denominators are different. So first step is take the LCM of both the denominator, LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now convert these 2 fractions into like fraction. Simple step, 1 by 2 is equal to upon 6. You have to multiply the same number in numerator and denominator both, that is 3 by 6. Now try the same method with the another fraction, 1 by 3, that is 6. 3 2s are 6. Multiply same number in numerator also, and 1 2s are 2. Now both the fractions are like fraction. Therefore 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Write the common denominator because this is a like fraction. 6. 3 minus 2 is 1 upon 6, and that is the answer. I hope you all understood subtraction of fraction. Our next topic is multiplication of a fraction. In this you will learn how you are going to multiply a fraction by a whole number, or how you are going to multiply a fraction by a fraction. So if you want to multiply a fraction by a whole number, you have to multiply the numerator of the fraction with the whole number divided by the denominator of the fraction. The next topic is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. In this you have to find the product of their numerator divided by the product of their denominator. This you will understand with the help of this video clip. Just have a look. Let's understand multiplication with the help of one example. Here I have taken one fraction and a whole number. Multiply these two. You have to write the numerator of the fraction and the whole number and divided by denominator of the fraction. 1 3s are 3 divided by 2. And if you want to convert this into a mixed fraction, you can write 1 whole 1 by 2. Both the answers are correct. Okay, let's discuss one more example. That is a mixed fraction. 2 whole 1 by 2 is multiplied by 6. The first step is you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, like 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. And the another multiplied by 6 is keep it separate. Next, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, that is 5 upon 2 multiplied by 6. Okay, now follow the same rule. Multiply the numerator with the whole number and denominator of the fraction. 5 6 are 30 upon 2. Answer is 15. Now this is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. For this you have to take two fractions and you have to multiply both of them. The first fraction is 3 upon 4 multiplied by 5 upon 7. These are the two fractions, 3 by 4 multiplied by 5 by 7. Now the simple rule is you have to find the product of numerator, that is 3 into 5, and you have to find the product of denominator, that is 4 multiplied by 7. Next step is multiply the numerator. 3 5s are 15 and 4 7s are 28. If it is possible to simplify both of them, then do it. If it is not possible, then this is the answer. So our next topic is division of fractions. In this topic you will learn how to divide a fraction by a fraction, or how to divide a fraction by a whole number. Division of a fraction by a fraction. In this you have to convert the sign of division with the change it with sign of multiplication and reciprocate the other fraction. Reciprocate means you have to interchange between numerator and denominator. Division of fraction by a whole number. In this you have to write the fraction, change the sign of division with sign of multiplication and reciprocal of the whole number. Just understand this topic with this video clip. Division of a fraction by a fraction. In this I have taken two fractions. One is 7 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. Okay, so let's start the steps. 7 by 9, the sign of division is going to convert into sign of multiplication and the other fraction is going to reciprocate. Reciprocate means the interchange between denominator and numerator, and it becomes 3 by 2. Now the next step is 7 3s are 21 and 9 2s are 18. You can see that this is going to simplify, and how you are going to simplify? By dividing with 3. Both the number you have to divide with 3. Now the next step is it becomes 7 upon 6. Okay. Division of a fraction by a whole number. Here I have taken one fraction, that is 6 upon 7 divided by 3, which is a whole number. Let's start. 6 upon 7 is divided by a whole number 3, and there is nothing there in the denominator. You can write 1. Next step is 6 upon 7, the sign of division is going to convert into sign of multiplication, and this fraction is going to reciprocate. Reciprocate means it is going to interchange the denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator and become 1 by 3. Now multiply both the numerator as well as denominator. Now it becomes 6 upon 7 3s are 21. If it is possible to simplify, then do it. 6 divided by 3 and 21 divided by 3, and it become 2 upon 7, and that is your answer. I hope you all understood division of fraction. This is your assignment. Try to solve these questions. Thank you, student. Stay safe.